Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export contacts in Freshsales. Once you're logged into your dashboard, come in the left hand panel, click on contacts, and then from here I'll show you how to export just one contact and then all your contacts as well. So let's say you want to export this one contact. You come here, click on this icon to see all details, then you click on these three dots, click here on export, and then it will go ahead and export to your email. You'll be sent an email right here. Let's click on spam. Make sure you check here as well. So if I click here, our contact is ready. You can click here to download the data. You'll be able to download a zip folder. Okay. Then if you want to download all your contacts, right, to export them, just click on this gear cog to access admin settings, and then come here and click on account settings. Click here on account settings again, and here you'll see export data. Okay, I want you to click on this, and then you select the time period, right? Choose the records to export. I'll go ahead and choose contacts, last 7 days, and then go ahead and click on export data. Okay, and then you'll be sent an email with a link to go ahead and download that. So there we go, ready to be exported. And then all you need to do is click here to download the data, and then you can extract it from the zipped file. Really that easy, and that is how to export contacts in Freshsales.